Ish. I come to the gym to lose my weight, but I don't know what I'm doing right now. The gym is so scary. And also, I don't know what to do and I'm too embarrassed to ask.
Don't worry, you can try this Evo. This is meant especially for women like us.
Wow.
You just scan the QR code to watch the video clip.
Wow, let me scan. Wow, so many video in there.
Easy,
Wow.
right?
Yeah.
I believe using the ebook would be more confident at the gym.
Really?
The ultimate ebook for women. Start your fitness today.